Hi guys, Tech James here. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys the best possible setup to run PSP games on your Android device. So I'm going to be using the Android PSP emulator known as PPSSPP. So basically, I'm just going to be making the best sort of, way to play it. So what I've got here is just a controller clip for my Android device that allows me to put a PlayStation 3 controller inside. So I'm just going to put that in there right now. So it literally just clips over like that, and then you can just use this part here just to clip it on like that. Then what I've got here is a PlayStation 3 controller adapter, basically the charger, so I'm just going to plug this in. And in here I've just got an OTG to USB adapter for my Android phone. So my Android phone just sits on the top here like that. Then all I need to do is just plug this into this, and then connect this to my Android phone. So you can do this via Bluetooth as well. Right, so my controller is now working on my phone, so let's go ahead and launch up PPSSPP. So here it is. So as you can see, I've got a couple of games on here. I can scroll using the controller right now, and it's pretty cool. I should probably just turn the sound down a bit. But guys, before you launch the game, this is the settings that you want to do. So you just want to do an exit right here. Basically what you want to do, you want to click on settings. Guys, once you're on settings, you want to click on controls. Once you're on controls, as you can see here, it says on-screen touch controls. So what you want to do is you just want to turn that off. Basically that's the overlay you get. You want to make sure that's off since I'm using controller. Now I can just go back a few times. Now I can go ahead and start the game actually using my controller, so just press X on it. So as you can see, here is the game starting. So let me just do a quick ghost battle right here. So I'm just going to do a quick fight and you guys can see how it performs with the controller. So guys, that is how the game performs. I actually really enjoy using the controller. It's 100 times better than using the touch controls. I would definitely recommend using it. So you can actually fast forward the game like crazy using L2 and R2 at the back. As you can see, I can actually slow it down like a lot as well. And now I think, yeah, it's running normal speed now. So there's like a ton of secret controls you can use when you've got a PS3 controller running. So let me just speed it up quick. Oh, I just lost by doing that, but oh well. So you can fully navigate the PSP menu as well using the controller, which is really nice. So if you guys are going to play PPSSPP, I would definitely recommend using this setup. It's definitely the best way to play the games. So that's pretty much it for this video. If you guys enjoyed, make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.